Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Hyundai iLoad van, stock reference number 4797. This shape runs from the first month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. With the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Factory fitted tow bar step assembly with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has one small dent. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Set of Rhino racks and tradie attachments. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, 3/4 bench on the left hand side, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.